Like so many of my other railfanning adventures, this video starts off at the Merritt 7 train station in Norwalk, Connecticut on July 28, 2024. A friendly engineer fully enjoying an open-door policy brings Metro-North train 1868 to a stop, with New Haven P32 ACDM 231 leading. I just made it to the end of the parking lot fencing to see New Haven P32 ACDM 231 belch out some black smoke as the big GE lugs train 1868 towards Danbury. As the rear cab car passes, you can see my suspicious-looking backpack laying in the grass to the left. After riding train 1889 from Merritt 7 to South Norwalk, I set up in my favorite railfanning spot there, the eastbound end of the westbound track 3 and 5 platform. And it didn't take long for the first Amtrak train of interest to show up. A double-headed set of sequentially numbered ACS 64s leads Amtrak Regional Train 176 eastbound on Track 4.
Later that night.
With the station AC unit blasting away, Metro-North train 1882 arrives on the Track 4 platform at South Norwalk with New Haven PC labeled P32 ACDM 230 leading. I just barely made it to the end of the Track 4 platform as New Haven 230 blasts off out of the South Norwalk station, leading train 1882 towards Danbury. Moving back to my favorite railfanning spot, Amtrak Regional Train 136 streaks through the darkness with another set of double-headed ACS 64s leading eastbound on Track 2. A total surprise this night was Metro-North train 5588 running on Track 4 eastbound with the newly wrapped Employee Appreciation P32 ACDM 214. I wish, honestly, I was on the Track 4 side instead of being on Track 3, since the GoPro is not the best for filming at night. Quickly realizing what was coming, I whipped out my Samsung S20 smartphone and got a much better shot on that. Here's the shot from my cell phone, which showcases the unique mosaic design on the flank of MTA 214 as it leads train 5588 eastbound on track 4 towards New Haven. Since this first time of seeing the Employee Appreciation Unit MTA 214, I've been able to document it multiple times, including the official unveiling in Grand Central Terminal a few weeks later in August, it running in service while still relatively clean, and seeing it all polished up and squeaky clean at the Metro North open house at the Croton Harmon shops, all of which will be covered in future videos. Now back to July 28, 2024, with a CT Rail Jeep pushing, Metro North train 1997 eases through the South Norwalk station westbound on track 2. Initially thinking I was going to get totally screwed, Metro North train 1897 is seen departing westbound on track 3 with an E-Bell equipped cab car leading the train. New Haven PC decaled P32 ACDM 230 shoves train 1897 out of the South Norwalk station to reveal what I had been ultimately waiting for this seasonable summer night. Loaded stone train, Providence and Worcester, Cedar Hill to Fresh Pond, or CHFP for short, meanders past westbound on track 2, with 4 big orange puke-painted GEs leading a lengthy train. Two blocks of covered hoppers were featured on tonight's PW Cedar Hill Fresh Pond, with one block being behind the engines, with another being located about halfway through the train. These covered hoppers are loaded with sand, while the other open-top hoppers covered in graffiti are loaded with stone. P&W CHFP was so large this night that it required manned helpers, as 2 more orange puke-painted GEs bring up the rear. I didn't think the engineer could see me all the way on track 3, but I still waved and was surprised and gifted with some horn toots as the helper units disappeared into the darkness. Thus concluding a fun night of waiting for P&W, or as I like to call them, PWubs. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel to be notified of future uploads. More videos will be posted very soon.